Just bought a new PC or laptop and wondering how to activate Windows? In this guide, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process so you can unlock all features, remove the watermark, and keep your system secure. Windows activation is more than just a formality. It verifies that your copy of Windows is genuine. Without activation, you'll see the Activate Windows watermark and some personalization settings will be locked. It also ensures you get security updates and full support. Before you activate, it's important to know which version of Windows you're using. Go to Settings, then System, and click on About. Here, you'll see your Windows edition and version, details you'll need during activation. The most common way to activate Windows is by using a product key. If you bought Windows separately, you'll find the key printed inside the retail box or sent to you via email if purchased digitally. To enter your key, open Settings, then select System and go to Activation. Click on Change Product Key and type in your 25-character code exactly as it appears. Then press Next to start the activation process. If you bought your device with Windows pre-installed and linked it to your Microsoft account, you might not need a product key at all. Simply sign into your Microsoft account and your digital license will automatically activate Windows. Once activation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message in the activation settings that says Windows is activated. The watermark will disappear and you'll have full access to personalization and features. If activation fails, don't panic. Open the Activation Troubleshooter from the same settings menu. It will guide you through common fixes such as checking your internet connection or verifying your Microsoft account. Many new devices come with a digital license, a key stored online that activates Windows when connected to the internet. This means you can reinstall Windows without re-entering the key as long as you sign in with the same Microsoft account. And that's how you activate Windows on your new PC or laptop. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any activation issues you'd like help with.